Ram Ram Saryane. So today we are going to continue with the remaining types of price elasticity of demand. Last time we already studied about unitary elastic demand. So today we are going to study about the next one is elastic demand, also called as relatively elastic demand. Relatively elastic demand. So now when I say relatively elastic demand, so means due to change in price, certain percentage if the price changes, the demand is responding more than that. That means it is more elastic. If I stretch it, it is stretching more than how much power I am giving. If I am changing price a little, in response to that, the demand is changing more than that. That's why it is called as relatively elastic demand or just elastic demand. That means when a proportionate change in quantity demanded is more than proportionate change in its price. That means in response to price, the percentage change in demand is more. Say for example, 10% change in price brings 20% change in quantity demanded, or 30%, or 40%, or even 15%. It is more than 10%, yes, then it is called as elastic demand or relatively inelastic demand. Okay, everyone? So here, if I take it as 30, so elasticity of demand is equals to, as per the formula, percentage change in quantity demanded 30 upon percentage change in its price 10. 10 ones are, 10 threes are. So it will be 3. So always remember that elasticity of demand in case of relatively inelastic demand will be more than 1. Will be more than 1. Now the diagram, the demand curve when we draw, for example, my price was this much OP and the demand was OQ. Price changes little. 10% change in price brings more than 10% change in demand. See, the demand changes from OQ to OQ1, say for example by 20%. So the demand curve which we get over here, the DD curve, this is going to be a flatter demand curve. It is a flatter demand curve. I hope the concept is clear. Let's go to the third type, of price elasticity of demand, that is relatively inelastic demand. When I say relatively inelastic, I mean when proportionate change in quantity demanded is less than proportionate change in its price. Less than proportionate change in its price. Say for example, demand changes by 10%, price changes by 10%, and in response to that, our demand changes by 5%. How much? Quantity demand changes only 5% or maybe 7%. How much? Only 5 or 7%. If as per the formula, elasticity of demand is equal to 5 upon 10, so we get answer 0.5. So in case of relatively inelastic demand. In case of relatively inelastic demand, always your answer will be less than 1. Always your answer will be less than 1. Diagrammatically, if we go to C, this is my origin, this was my price, and this was my quantity demanded. Price and Q is your quantity demanded. If your price changes by 10%, okay, price changes by 10%, in response to that, demand responds only 5%. Okay, demand responds only 5%. The demand curve which we get over here, D, is a steeper demand curve. Is a steeper demand curve. So I hope you have understood both the concepts of elasticity, relatively elastic and relatively inelastic demand. Next two types we are going to do in our next video. So be awaited for tomorrow's video. Till then, if you like the concept, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone.